Here's the problem. This is just not threading. That's no bueno. Doesn't want to thread compared to good hole. So we're gonna have to take this tool and we're going to have to fix the threads, which we'll be doing next. We're gonna spray some WD-40 in the hole just to give it a little bit of lubrication. Next, we're going to turn full rotation and then back it off. Like so to get these burrs out. And we'll do it again. And back it out. Again, it's getting easier, which is good. And back it out. Clean out these spurs. And back it out. It's definitely much easier than it was when we first put it in there, so that's a good sign. And just like that, problem solved. Nice and tight, like the others. Definitely cheaper than replacing the hub.